If you know your hypercars, you will be familiar with the Aston Martin Valkyrie. Originally launched in 2016 as Project Nebula, it was Aston Martin's ultimate vision of what a hypercar should be. Complete with a 6.5 litre V12, 1100 horsepower, 11,000 RPM, it was insane. Now fast forward to 2026, the Aston Martin Valhalla is here, the next mid-engine car by Aston Martin. Now at Topaz, we always get the first of every model in, directly from the dealerships, and I think we've got a Valhalla just outside. Let's go and take a look.
Get that money, like not another thing. Been around the block enough to stop him in his stride. Soft enough to sing, but tough enough to lock it off and chop him into 5. A man I oscillate the ting. Thoughts get lost, but I stop and take the time. I'm not offering to blink, but I run it up and operate on doctors on the sly. Cause I can sing it in my sleep. I can't think of a similarity. Refund but not given a receipt. I see under the and that you speak. I seek thunder, it's hitting me beneath. I reach under while sitting in my seat. I'm so done with this gritting in my teeth. No wonder I'm living in my peace. Get that money.
We are joined by Ryan, and Ryan is the detailing manager here at Topaz Midlands. Ryan, what are the difficulties with washing a car like this before it gets PPF'd?
So with a car like this, with so many intricate areas and deep pockets on the bodywork, we have to ensure that we get as deep into these pockets and areas as possible to remove tough contaminants like tar, traffic film, tree sap, anything that might have. It's a time-consuming process and we need to make sure that no area is missed.
So I go with the wind blow, stack checks to my Cody, give me info. Always a hole in my window. What's next? See me outro with my intro. And yeah, I've been low. Push weight till my gums rip and my skin show. I'm just a gringo, cash tied up, moving partially limbo. But I stay up till late, trying to make ends meet, so I up my rate. I'm not stuck, I'm great. You just wait and see what the I ate. Never had to bust my case, cause I'm way too sleek and I'm on my way. It's not fun, I say, with my chest on my sleeve and I've done my day.
So, with a complex car such as the Valhalla, obviously there are a lot of complicated body panels, different curves, contours. Where have you immediately spotted on this car that could be a challenge?
So when you see the carbon areas, like these air intakes on the side, very deep, so there could be a lot of trapped contaminants in there, where we have to make sure we get right in as far as we can go where the PPF will be going. And the rear diffuser, which is very deep, goes way under the car. We have to make sure we get as far in there as possible, again, where the PPF will be reaching.
Get that money, money. Get that money, 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 get that.
So, as you can see, the Valhalla is now in the bay. PPF is being fitted, and today we're now being joined by Nick. Nick is one of our senior PPF installers here at Topaz Midlands. Now, Nick, you've worked on plenty of cars over the years. What are your first impressions of the Valhalla?
It's a very good looking car for starters, but also a very complex car. Lots of pieces, especially when it comes to PPF. So one of the first things, as you see when you walk in, is the diffuser. Is pretty complex, lots of curves, but also lots of angles. So that's may cause some problems, but there's nothing that we can't overcome. Other than that, it's quite a smooth car, so there's not too many sharp angles. So when it comes to fitting PPF and putting stretch through your panels, they should just lay out quite nicely.
So we work on so many cars across all of our studios, so many supercars, hypercars. Is this car any different?
In appearance, yes, but ultimately it's treated exactly the same from start to finish.
Well, it's cool to see your insights. Let's see some more PPF being fitted. So this is Aston Martin's first V8 hybrid hypercar, and what a car it is. Powered by a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, producing 950 horsepower, paired with a hybrid electric system, and with a 0 to 60 time in less than 3 seconds, the numbers on this are incredible. It's not just about the engineering and the numbers. Every single panel, every line, every curve is engineered to cut through the air perfectly and produce so much downforce, it is unbelievable. Take the bodywork, for example. It's fully produced in carbon fibre. It's complete with active aerodynamics, so many cutaways, also it cuts through the air perfectly. That makes it a challenge for our PPF, but it's Topaz. We know what we're doing. With a car as aerodynamically focused as this, the aerodynamics are insane. This diffuser, for example, is ridiculous. The size of it, the contours, it's huge. It's like nothing else we've ever seen. The only problem with that comes, however, is these huge rear wheels, the 1,000 horsepower and the all-wheel drive system. Now, when this car is at full load, think of the stones will fly up and damage this expensive carbon fibre. That's where our PPF is here to save the day, to make sure this receives no blemishes throughout its entire ownership. Inside, the Valhalla is all about the driver. It's complete with so much carbon fibre, Alcantara, and the displays are so driver-focused. Everything is where you want it to be for when you're focusing on driving. The view out the cockpit is unlike anything else. You've got this Le Mans-style letterbox windscreen, and the interior is just unlike anything else. It's so driver-focused, you couldn't think about anything other than driving properly when you're in this car. As you can imagine, with a car as exclusive as the Valhalla, PPF is essential. Now, we have fully protected this car with our Topaz Gloss PPF, and that means we've protected all of the exposed carbon fibre, including under the doors, very important. We've protected the exclusive paintwork, even the exclusive painted livery. Now, this car is a two-tone. It's in this lovely blue. It has this grey finish around, accentuating the areas where the airflow is at its peak. And here it is, the Aston Martin Valhalla, fully protected and ready for handover. What a car. It has been an absolute pleasure to have the Aston Martin Valhalla at Topaz Midlands. It's a stunning car, and being able to protect it for its lucky new owner has been an absolute privilege. We hope you've enjoyed the video. Join us next time for another really exciting video. Thank you.